Guys, welcome back, and today I am doing a video about enzymes. So yeah, and we also have a guest. Hello guys, did you miss me? I've been stuck to the page and I kind of just got pulled off, so it's like, look at my back. Ow. Oh, look, that dude looks a lot like me. What's that yellow thing? Is it food? No, it's not food. We'll get to that in a minute. So you've probably heard of enzymes. If you haven't, then they're basically what help with the reactions in chemistry, biology, and generally in your body. So there are some important factors you should know. So let's start with a catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which increases the speed of a reaction without being changed or used up in the reaction. So an enzyme is actually a catalyst. Enzymes are basically made of proteins, which are amino acids connected, and they kind of form an enzyme. I'll explain more about that later. So temperature. So when you increase the temperature, it increases the speed of the reaction. I'll get to that in a second. Enzymes reduce the need for high temperatures. Also, enzymes have an optimum temperature. If it's too high, their bonds will break. Okay, so this is what an enzyme looks like. And here's the substrate, and it has an active site where the substrate goes in. Substrate is what's going to be changed in the reaction. The enzyme remains unchanged before and after, so it stays the same. And it's very picky, so only things that are exactly fit will be changed. So this substrate was like this, and it ended up like this. So usually reactions are when two things either join up or they split up, and that's it. But the enzyme always stays the same. So now we're going to talk about optimum temperature. So if the particles are hot, they will have more energy, so their collision rate will be higher. So yeah, they will move quicker, but if they move too fast, the bonds will break. So it's the opposite if they are cold. So so the collision rate slows down and the reaction goes down. So say if you're growing yeast, then you need warm water, not hot, not cold, because it just stops when it's cold. If it gets too hot, the bonds holding the enzymes will break. This is called a denatured enzyme. Like I said, they will break when it goes too fast. And there's also a thing called the optimum temperature. Lucky for us, the optimum temperature is 37 degrees, so we'll be fine. Enzymes also do most of the reactions in our body, and without them we'd pretty much be like dead. That's why when you have a when you have a fever, it's hard. That's one reason why you're ill, because the enzymes can't do their job because they're breaking. And when enzymes break, their bonds loosen, so they're not the same shape, so it doesn't fit the active site anymore. The substrate can't go in anymore because it's not the right shape. So it doesn't work unless you're lucky enough to find another thing that has the same thing. This module is called the lock and key module, and basically it's how the substrate and the enzyme fit exactly into each other. I know I did the substrate a bit big here, but it would generally fit right in to make this whole thing a circle. It could be any shape at all, just to make sure it fits. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!